Now we are solving next example, example number 15. In this 15th example, a vertical pole of length 6 meter cast a shadow of 4 meter long on the ground. It is given to us. So here vertical pole we have denoted by AB, and it's cast a shadow on the ground which is equal to 4 meter. We have denoted it by BC. So here we are supposing that AB be the vertical pole and BC be the shadow. And again the second part of the example is at the same time a tower cast a shadow of 28-meter long. So this tower we have denoted by PQ and its shadow by what? QR, which is equal to 28-meter. It is given to us. So this part also we have written here. Now here AB is nothing but pole and its length is equal to 6 meter is given to us. So here AB will be equals to 6 meter and shadow cast by this pole will be, we have denoted by BC, and its length is already given to us 4 meter. So BC will be equals to 4 meter. Now one tower we have denoted by PQ and its shadow we have denoted by what? QR, and this shadow is given to us, its length is equal to 28 meter. So here we can say that QR will be equals to 28 meter. Using all these conditions, we have to find out the height of the pole, means we have to find out what? Sorry, height of the tower, and height of the tower we have denoted by what? PQ, means we have to find out PQ here. So already we know that the pole and the tower are perpendicular to the base, means this angle will be of 90 degree. Now if we are able to show that these two triangles are similar, then we can say that we can say that the sides are in proportion, and using that condition we are able to find out PQ. Means to find out the length of PQ we have to show that these two triangles are similar. Already one angle is of what? 90 degree. Even we can say that the sun rays are, the time is the same. So sun ray fall on this pole and the tower at the same time. That's why this vertical angle is also what? Equal. And if two angles of first triangle are equal to two angles of second triangle, we can say that triangles are similar by AA criteria. So here we are considering triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In these two triangles, here we can say that angle ABC is equal to angle PQR, each of 90 degree. And even we can say that angle BAC will be equals to angle QPR, because sun rays fall on pole and tower approximately at same time, and that's why these two angles are equal. So this implies that this triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by which criterion? AA criterion. And since these two triangles are similar, we can say that sides are in proportion. So we can say that AB upon PQ will be equals to BC upon QR. So these are nothing but corresponding sides of similar triangle. Well, now remaining part is just to substitute the value. AB is equal to 6, PQ we have to find out. BC will be equals to 4 and QR will be equals to 28. Here we can say that 4 ones are 4 and 4 sevens are 28. So this implies that PQ will be equal to, so PQ into 1 will be equal to PQ, and on this side we will get 7 into 6. 7 into 6. So which implies that PQ will be equals to 7 6 are 42. So once the length of PQ is known to us, PQ is nothing but height of the tower. So that's why we can say that height of the tower is how much? Is equal to 42 meters. And that is the value which we have to find out here. So well, see in the example number 16, it is given to us that AD and PM are the medians of triangle ABC and PQR. So this AD and PM are the medians of this triangle ABC and PQR. Median means definitely it joins the vertex and midpoint of opposite sides. So D is the midpoint of BC, and here we can say that M is the midpoint of what? QR. Again, it is given to us that these two triangles ABC and PQR are similar. So triangle ABC and PQR are similar. So if two triangles are similar, we know that corresponding angles are equal and sides are in proportion. So all these are the given condition, and using all these given condition, we have to show that AB upon PQ will be equal to AD upon PM. Observe, these are the sides of AB and AD. AB and AD are the sides of triangle ABD, and this PQ and PM, PQ and PM are the sides of which triangle PQM. Means to get this result, we have to show that these two triangles, triangle ABD is similar to which triangle? AQM. And to show that two triangles are similar, we have three criteria. So let us make the use of this given condition to show that these two triangles are similar. Once if we are able to show that these two triangles are similar, we will get this required result, because we know that if two triangles are similar, corresponding sides are in proportion. So what is the given condition here? It is given to us that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So this is given condition. Okay, and since these two triangles are similar, that's why we can say that corresponding angles are equal. Means B will be equals to what? Angle Q. So angle B is equals to angle Q. Let us denote it by equation number first. And in our required result also, means to show that these two triangles are similar, we will here B and Q are the corresponding angles. Again, now since these two triangles are similar, corresponding sides are in proportion, means AB upon its corresponding side is there PQ is equal to BC, and its corresponding side is what? QR. So these are nothing but corresponding parts of similar triangle. Well, now AB and PQ are the sides of these two triangles also, but we have to show that these two triangles are similar. So here corresponding side of BD is what? QM. So to get BD upon QM, we are multiplying to numerator and denominator by half. Let us see what we'll get. AB upon PQ, we are not disturbing to it. So here simply we are multiplying to numerator and denominator by half. So here AB upon PQ, keep it as it is. So which is equal to, what is half of BC? Half of this BC will be equals to BD here, because D is the midpoint. And half of QR will be equals to what? QM. Here give the reason that D and M are midpoints of BC and QR respectively. This is the given condition. Why we are saying that they are midpoint? Because AD and PM are nothing but medians. So let us denote this result say by equation number 3. Now we are considering the triangle. In triangle ABD and triangle PQM. In these two triangles, so write down this condition: AB upon PQ will be equals to BD upon QM. So what result we have shown here? AB upon PQ will be equals to BD upon QM. Even from equation number first, this angle B is equals to angle Q. Angle B is equals to angle Q. This result we are getting from equation number 3, and this result we are getting from equation number first. Now we have shown that two sides are in proportion and their included angles are also equal. That's why we can say that these two triangles are similar. So triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. By which criterion? SAS criterion. So we have shown that these two triangles are similar, and since these two triangles are similar, that's why we can say that corresponding sides are in proportion. So which are the corresponding side? AB upon corresponding side of AB is PQ will be equals to, and AD corresponding side of AD is what here? PM. PM. So here give the reason here. This is our required result. Corresponding sides of similar triangle. In this way we have completed this exercise also. In the next video we will start the next article from this chapter.